Hi, I'm Jon Simons from First to Mind Counselling and Mental Health Services. First to Mind's a private practice in Cheshire where I offer a wide range of mental health support services, counselling through to corporate training programmes. One of the areas I specialise in is work-related stress issues. The benefit of speaking with a counsellor when you are experiencing any form of stress or distress is gaining an area of safe, confidential space to explore all your feelings and concerns. Experiencing stress in any workplace is emotionally tiring, and it can impact on our social and family time. It may be you struggle to get a good night's sleep, lowering your resilience to life's ups and downs. Or it may impact on your diet or fitness goals, adding to your feelings of not being in control. Sharing these concerns in a safe and confidential, compassionate environment that is a counselling session will allow you the time and space to reflect on how you are able to move forward. By giving you the tools to use in your life to disarm the stress, allowing you to be the very best version of you. Stress in the workplace does not have to be overwhelming. Working with a counsellor can give you the insight you need to reduce the effect of stress and reduce the effect it's having on those around you. We may use the Health and Safety Executives Talking Toolkit. This toolkit systematically works through the areas of your work known to be common roots of stress. If you are currently feeling stress or anxiety in the workplace, I'd like to encourage you to reach out, either to myself at First to Mind or one of the other many qualified professionals on the counselling directory. We are here to support you. You can change how work is impacting on your life. Please take good care of yourself, and thank you for your time.